Hi, I am Akila from Iraq. I want to be a pilot, but I don't know where to start. Until I discovered Aviationfly.com. I'm so excited to reach my pilot dreams. Here are some of the things you need to do or have before starting your pilot training. Research what kind of pilot you want to be and the pilot license required. You may use Google, YouTube, online forums, or Aviationfly.com. You should also possess these basic requirements before starting your pilot training. You should be at least 17 years old to receive a student pilot license. You need to be a high school graduate. You need to be able to speak, understand, write, and read in English. You also need to pass the medical exam. Take note that the basic requirements may vary depending on where you are planning to do your pilot training. Here are the different training stages you need to go through to become a commercial pilot. First, you need to have a student pilot license. It allows you to start your pilot training with a licensed instructor. After that, you need to have a private pilot license. This license will allow you to fly as a hobby or for leisure. Finally, you can get a commercial pilot license. It allows you to be paid for your flying services. Here are some of the careers you can pursue after getting your commercial pilot license.
Airline pilot, corporate or business aviation pilot, cargo pilot, charter or air taxi pilot, flight instructor, medical or air ambulance pilot, agricultural pilot.
Do you have any questions about pilot training? Comment below. One of the questions we are always getting is, what is a commercial pilot license? Are you wondering too? Keep on watching. What is a commercial pilot license? Having a CPL means you have finished student pilot license, private pilot license, and commercial pilot license training. You are now legally allowed to get paid as a pilot. With a CPL, you can be an airline pilot, cargo pilot, charter or air taxi pilot, corporate or business aviation pilot, flight instructor, agricultural pilot, medical/air ambulance pilot. To have a commercial pilot license, you must be at least 18 years old. You should have a valid medical certificate. You should speak, understand, read, and write in the English language. And you must be at least a high school graduate. Do you have any questions about commercial pilot license? Comment below.